one. Today I'm going to prepare Mithun veggie added to that. So I'm going to show you how to make paneer from Mithun milk. So I'm going to take 1 liter of milk and we are going to prepare paneer.
First, we have to boil the milk up to 90 to 95 degree. While boiling, we have to stir it gently.
So we'll use the thermometer to take the temperature. So we'll see whether it reaches up to 90 degrees. So it's already reached up to 90 degrees. Out of the case now. After this, we have to cool down the whole up temperature up to 70 to 75. It will take 2 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes. After this, you can take either citric acid or lime juice or vinegar. But today we are going to use vinegar. So in 1 liter of Mithun milk, we are going to use 20 ml of vinegar. So after reaching up to 70 to 75 degree, we will add it. It's already reached up to 74, so we are going to pour it. While pouring, we have to stir it gently. While pouring also we have to stir it gently. After adding the vinegar, it's already formed. From now you have to stir slowly, gently.
After the curd is separated from the whey, we will strain the curd using muslin cloth and rinse it with water to remove the excess of acidity.
After this, we are going to put in plate. And then we are going to put baby whey on top of this, and then we'll wait for 2 hours so that the paneer shape will come out. Now we'll remove the coconut and then we'll take out the paneer. So it's now it's ready, so we'll cut it to cube size. Now we have already cut it. We'll measure it. We'll measure in 200 grams. We'll take it. After this, we'll seal it.
Now we can store it in a cool place, that is in -20 degrees Celsius.